Top 5 Best Ergonomic Keyboards of 2026. Choosing the right ergonomic keyboard can feel confusing. Many look good, but fail after long use. I have gone through these options carefully to help you avoid that mistake. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let's get started. Number 1. SABLUTE Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo. This combo feels designed for long work hours. The wave key layout helps your fingers stay relaxed. I like how the typing angle feels natural, even after hours of use. The soft palm rest adds comfort, especially if you type daily. It reduces wrist pressure in a noticeable way. The rechargeable battery is a strong point. A 4,000 mAh battery means fewer charging breaks. That is helpful if you work from home or in an office setting. The backlight also helps in low light, which is useful during late-night work. One thing to note is the size. It may take a little time to adjust if you're used to flat keyboards. Still, once you get used to it, typing feels smoother. Rechargeable battery, soft palm rest, wave key layout. Number 2. Nulea Wave Keys Ergonomic Keyboard. This keyboard focuses on comfort first. The curved key layout feels easy on your fingers. It is a good option if you type a lot of emails or documents daily. I found the cushioned palm rest helpful for reducing strain. The wireless connection works well with both Windows and Mac. That makes it flexible for different setups. The adjustable tilt legs also help you find a better typing angle. This is useful if your desk height is not ideal. However, it does not have advanced lighting features. Some users may miss that. Still, for simple and comfortable typing, it does the job well. Cushioned palm rest, natural typing layout, adjustable tilt legs. Number 3. MEETION Wired Ergonomic Keyboard. If you prefer a wired setup, this one is worth looking at. It offers stable performance without any connection issues. The backlit keys make it easy to work in dark spaces. I like the 7-color lighting. It adds a bit of style while staying useful. The wrist rest is also helpful for longer sessions. It keeps your hands supported and reduces fatigue. The wire design may feel limiting for some users, but also means no battery worries. It is a good pick for desk setups where you do not move around much. 7-color backlight, built-in wrist rest, stable wired connection. Number 4. Logitech Wave Keys Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. Logitech is known for reliable products, and this keyboard follows that trend. The wave design supports your hands well. It feels balanced and smooth during typing. The multi-device feature is very useful. You can switch between devices easily. This is great if you use a laptop and desktop together. The Bluetooth connection is stable and quick. The palm rest is comfortable, though slightly firm compared to others. Some users may prefer a softer feel. Still, the overall typing experience is solid and consistent. Easy device switching, Bluetooth connection, ergonomic wave design. Number 5. Nulea Ergonomic Split Keyboard Wireless. This is the best pick for a reason. The split design gives your hands more freedom. It allows a more natural position, which helps reduce long-term strain. I noticed this design feels different at first, but very comfortable after some use. The backlight adds both style and function. It helps you see keys clearly in low light. The ability to connect with multiple devices is also a big advantage. It fits well in both home and office setups. The adjustable tilt legs let you customize the typing angle. This makes a big difference for comfort. It is a strong choice for anyone serious about ergonomics. Split keyboard design, multi-device support, adjustable tilt legs. Final verdict. If you want the best overall option, the Nulea Ergonomic Split Keyboard stands out. It offers great comfort, flexible design, and long-term usability. It is a smart choice for daily work. For a more balanced and reliable option, the Logitech Wave Keys is a solid second pick, especially if you need smooth device switching. Both options serve different needs well. Check the links in the description to compare prices and find the one that fits your setup best.